everybody. I'm sitting here with my hubster over here in his recliner chair. We are up. We have had breakfast. I've already washed the dishes. And it is another beautiful day. Can you see that sunshine behind me coming through that window?
Yep.
You cannot see that.
Good.
Anyways, it is beautiful. And we are headed out. Hello, everyone. I just got home from Walmart today. I thought I would just kind of show you quickly what I bought. I just made a quick trip out because it is my father-in-law's birthday. And I wanted to do something, Ron wanted to do something special for him. And he loves banana pudding, so bananas. So we're going to make him a banana pudding and take it to him later. And I'm also going to make cream of chicken and biscuits for dinner. And I think everybody will be really happy with that. So that's the plan. So I wanted to show you guys now, my bread has seen better days. But understand, I do ride a bus. So that is that. So I got some bread, some hot dog buns, because I thought we might have some hot dogs, a gallon of milk, 2 things of whipped topping, a can of coffee. This is the one that we buy all the time. It's less than $10, and it lasts, 1 can lasts us almost 3 weeks. Then let's see, we have some cream of chicken soup. I'm sorry, I'm at a lack of words today. I did get a Gum Care Crest mouthwash. I'm getting old and I have to take better care of things. Some toothpaste here, some gum purity, some Bengay. Yes, I have a shoulder that's really bothering me here the last probably week, and so I got some Bengay for it. Hopefully it helps. Some taco seasoning, and as well as some fajita seasoning. 2 things of, I'll show you the fronts here, of the vanilla pudding. I got 2 of those for the banana pudding. The Easter candy is 50% off today, so I ended up with 2 bags of these. Thank you, Danny, for getting me addicted to these. But yes, I bought 2 bags of these. These are so good. Got some paint rollers because I'm working on a secondary closet upstairs. And I found that in there, being as small as it is, the small roller works perfect for me. So that's what I'm going to work with. That and a brush that I have. And then 2 boxes of vanilla wafers. I don't know that I need 2 boxes, but I just bought them just in case. So ground chuck was on sale. I'm trying to show you the sale price. So here you go, on sale. As well as this, if you don't know what kind of meat this is basically called spicy beef. And it is fabulous fajitas, burritos, taco bowls, anything like that. So that's why I bought that. The boneless, skinless chicken breast. This is a really big package. This is, I'm probably going to use half tonight for our cream of chicken and biscuits, and the other half for something else. These were on sale. These are mild. And then I bought some hot, as well as 2 hot breakfast sausages, extra crispy French fries, some peas and carrots in a bag, as well as some broccoli florets. And that is what I purchased today. And then Ron and I had a quick chicken nugget and an iced tea in McDonald's while we waited for the bus. And now I'm home and I'm going to put all of this away, and then I'm going to sit down and rest for a few minutes. And then I'm going to get started making the banana pudding. Made biscuits and a cream of chicken in my electric skillet. Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. Listen, I didn't get much filmed for this video, and I apologize. I have too many irons in the fire lately. Too many irons in the fire. So I just thought that I would end this video by saying my father-in-law had a very lovely birthday. And I'm sorry that I didn't get any footage of the banana pudding, but what I did is I made 2. And they were 8x8s. They were in the aluminum pans. That way he had one for his home and I had one here. So he loved it. He enjoyed every bit of it. And I am so glad that he had a nice birthday. So the cream of chicken and biscuits were delicious. I have had a lot of requests for the recipe and how I make it. So I will make it a point that next month I will put it on my meal plan and I will film that for those of you that would like the recipe. The way that I make it, I've been using my electric skillet. It's super, super simple and easy, but it is loved by everybody. Basically, it is like a chicken pot pie. And it's so funny because I have the hardest time sometimes finding things that my dad really, really enjoys eating. I think as we get older, our taste buds change and things like that. Anyways, I made that for when my parents was here. And that's why I made it for my father-in-law, because I knew that he would really enjoy it. My dad had 3 plates of that. So I know it had to taste good. So if you have to make something for somebody who is older, and I'm just going to say it, let's just say that they have dentures or problems with their teeth, okay? It is very easy for them to eat, and they really, really enjoy it. I love it. I grew up on it. When I was a kid, my mother used to make it all the time. Everybody sort of has their own version of it, their own way of making it, and I will be sure to put it in a meal plan to share next month with you all, because I don't mind eating it again, and I know Ronnie doesn't. Today is a different day than my father-in-law's birthday, if you can't figure that out. I'm a little bit behind on the video editing and all that, and I do apologize. I have been super busy because I just have not even been home. I've had company. It just seems like it's been a whirlwind of things that I've been up to. But I am not missing. I am still here. I'm still videoing for you guys. I'm not sure if there's going to be a Wednesday video for you all. There might be. I will see what I can do today. And I will be seeing you all again soon. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Watch the video that came out before this one. It was a great motivation cleaning video for anybody who needs that inspiration and motivation. Be sure to watch that. Today, I am actually prepping another closet to be painted upstairs, and that's what I got going on. Yes, and then this evening, I'm going shopping with friends because I need some things from Lowe's, and he has a truck. So it's a win-win, and I may not even end up at Lowe's. I might end up buying everything at Walmart. What had happened is the very simple things that I put on my list to get at Walmart, when I went to the one Walmart that's here locally, right next to my house, there were several items that they did not have any of. And so he said he was available tonight. I said, if you don't care, do you mind running me to the Barbersville Walmart, which is the big Walmart? And he said, absolutely not. So if they have everything I'm looking for, great. If not, I will be going to Lowe's. I think everybody, because the warm weather has hit, everybody's doing spring cleaning and painting, and like just the very simple things like a, if I don't word this right, don't kill me. I'm just new at all this stuff, but like a spackle knife. You can buy like a putty knife or what, I don't know if it's a putty knife or spackle knife. I'm not sure. I think it's a putty knife. I might be saying it wrong. I want the little one. Nobody had any. Nobody had any when I went shopping. So I'm hoping tonight I can find one of those. I also have misplaced my mini roller in this house. I seen it right before my parents came, and I was most certain that I did not remove it from where it was at. And I went to that place today, and I cannot find it. I went through the entire house, every drawer, every nook and cranny that I can think of, and I cannot find it anywhere. But anyways, I'm going to go get those little simple things that seem to be missing. So anyhow, that's what I'm doing this evening. I'm a busy lady, but I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for viewing this video. And like I said, if you're new, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and I will be talking to all of you again really, really soon. Have a fabulous week, guys.